the rolling hills of southern Bohemia. It's going to take 2 days. Altogether, the trip should be around 300 kilometers. I'm hoping to do 200 of those today and then 100 tomorrow. So part one, or day one, is probably 10 to 12 hours on the saddle today. And I started in Prague and I'm going all the way to Český Krumlov, which is just kind of like a picturesque little South Bohemian town that's pretty close to the border. And then I'm going to camp there for the night. And after that, I am going from Český Krumlov to Austria and then riding back to Český Budějovice. Sorry, it's a tough Czech word. And then I'll be taking the train back from Prague. And yeah, it's looking nice. It was supposed to rain and be overcast, but I actually really don't trust the weather anymore. And even if it does rain, it should be fine. Anyway, it's beautiful. I'm getting back on the bike now. Wow, the sights are starting to get pretty beautiful now. Uh-oh, that doesn't sound so good. That is some serious thunder. Well, at least there's a very beautiful rainbow. I'm gonna try to burn through this flat area to get hopefully into the mountains with these thunderstorms. As weird as that sounds, but I think that's a safer place to be. I can't keep riding. I gotta wait this one out. I don't want to risk it with this lightning is like right overhead. So I found a ditch here, kind of distancing myself from the bike so that because it's probably conductive. So I think I should be okay here. Well, this is quite a change. Things are almost starting to look majestic. Look at that. With the dark background, it looks, I've never seen anything like that. Let's just hope it stays this way. Oh. There you have it, folks. It's a double rainbow. That's awesome. It's pretty simple. I mean, there's literally, I'm just using 2 packs. It's only overnight, so they're both Ace Pack, which are made here in the Czech Republic, which I thought was really cool. So there's a top tube bag, and there is a saddle bag. And then, yeah, just water bottles. I've got a pump on the other side, and there's a spare tube. And then up on the front, we have the GPS. That's pretty much it. I don't even have a backpack on. And yeah, this is the overnight setup. And honestly, it's fine. It just feels like there's a fat baby on the back of the bike. Okay, This is the start to day 2. So today I'll actually get to Austria. I was just going to Český Krumlov yesterday, and I just pedaled out of Český Krumlov, and I'm sort of in the mountains just outside of the little village. About 1 hour south of Český Krumlov, and I think this might be one of the prettiest places I've ever ridden in. It's yeah, there's no one around except for some cyclists up there, and yeah, just the pretty mountains and fields. Goodness. You know, just when I dried out too, it's funny, I let all my stuff dry overnight and like was really delicate or really organized about it, and then I get back on the bike and go right to this. So I wonder if it was even worth it. At least it was clean from the rain. Goodness. Whew. Believe it or not, the rocks are easier to ride up than the mud. Now, for those of you who might be thinking, why not just get off your bike, man? Just push. That's what I would do. It's crazy to bike up this. And you don't understand the morale boost you get if you can get up this stuff without taking your feet out of the pedals. It feels pretty damn good. And it's just way more satisfying than simply getting up the hill. One thing I haven't talked about is how many hills there are on this ride. I mean, you think about Austria, you just think about mountains. So this is I guess I should have known. But I'm at like a pretty steep grade here, 650 meters. And I think I've got pretty far to go. But today has been a lot of climbing. Here it is. Nice little downhill. And Austria. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Let's go to Italy. Just kidding, I'm gonna turn around right up here. I just wanna take a look around now that we're in Austria land. Whew. Wow, yeah. The Austrians know how to welcome you with a pretty view. Look at this. All right, so over there's Austria. Here's the Czech Republic. The show's not over yet. I still have to get back to Prague. And somebody wanted to write crystal meth on this map, which is, I just don't understand. So I'm somewhere down here. Here's Vyšehrad. I came all the way from here, Český Krumlov, and then I have to go to Český Budějovice, which is not on the map. It's off the maps. Yeah. So I've got probably another 60K to go. And yeah, I have to get started. Hopefully I don't hit any thunderstorms on the way back there. They are forecasted for the afternoon, so I'm gonna try to go fast. Check out the bike. It was clean, now it's like pine dirty. My GPS has died because I forgot, of all things, to bring the GPS charger. So it just conked out now. I've got about, I don't know, I guess 60 kilometers more to go. And I can always use my phone, but it's kind of like tucked in this pocket and it would be annoying to reference it. But I'm just gonna try to follow the signs. You know, if you look, they're pretty good. So I'm gonna take the 7 to the 11. So I'm going to do 7-11, and that should get me to Český Budějovice, and I will get my train there. So easy enough to remember, right? 7-11.